Namaste everyone, my name is Devi Pratiksha and today we are going to practice Chakrasana. The benefits of this asana are that it improves our digestive system and our back becomes very flexible after doing this asana. So let's start. First you have to lie down on your back. Then bend your knees and bring them to your hips, like this. Put your hands behind your shoulders and head. Then slowly stretch your body up, like this. Stay in the final position for as long as you can. And then come back slowly. Relax. You can do this exercise 2 times a day. Many kids won't be able to do it, but you can try to do it. Bye. See you next time. Namaste.